How to remove new login attempt on Roblox. This full guide shows you how to manage login notifications and secure your account from unauthorized access. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots icon in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on Settings, which looks like a gear icon. Now, tap on Account Info to view your account settings. Moving forward, if you receive the new login attempt notification, this means someone tried to access your account from an unfamiliar device. Afterwards, tap on Security to access security settings. In addition to that, scroll down and look for recent devices or login sessions. Once there, you'll see a list of all devices that have access to your Roblox account. Subsequently, tap on any unfamiliar device or login session. Moreover, tap on Logout or Remove Device to disconnect that session. Afterwards, it's important to change your password immediately if you see suspicious login attempts. Then, tap on Change Password in the security settings. Within the password field, enter your current password and then create a new strong password. Alternatively, enable two-step verification for extra security by going back to security settings. Once there, tap on two-step verification and follow the setup process. Then, this will require a code from your email or authenticator app whenever someone tries to log in. And that's it. If this Roblox security guide helped you protect your account from unauthorized logins, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming security tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.